and that caused our entire application to blow up. That that would just not be great. And really, that's the you know stopping that from happening, or by forcing some sort of false positive. And what I mean by a false positive is, if you add, I believe in, if I remember correctly, in JavaScript, if you add a number and a string, I believe the result, most of the time, I'm not sure if there's an exception, but I believe the result will be that the number is coerced to a string, right? So 5 plus a, I believe, would give you 5a. And let's test this out in a second, because I do not actually have the outputs of JavaScript memorized. Um, so just um, open up our console. So let's see, 5 plus a. Yes, it is 5a. And so of course, just recalling here, if this happened in Haskell, we would say, hey, could not compile the program. These two types don't fit the function of plus. In plus, we are looking for an A and an A, which are of the num type class. And so this does not work. Please revise your code. But we don't have anything like that with JavaScript. Like, the compiler is not powerful enough to be able to say, I maybe it could be, but it simply chooses to give us a result no matter what, except in some edge cases that we could program into our JavaScript, which I not a expert in that sense, but yeah. And so here's the more surprising one to me is, and this is definitely a less frequent case, but if we say return 5, so if I say f plus f, oh, never mind. Okay, I kind of jumped ahead then. Okay, here's really what I'm building to anyways. If I say x plus x, what happens? I get a string, which just gives me a bit of anxiety. That even that sort of structural problem can just allow itself to happen.